The HLC 150H is a high-performance gear-cutting machine, universal, precise, and powerful, for a wide range of workpieces. The machine offers a high level of technological diversity and enables the efficient machining of spur and helical gears, shafts, as well as worms by the single index milling process. Jörg Lohmann, what is special about the machine?
Due to the reason that the noise level of e-drives is way lower in comparison to combustion motors, also the requirements on the gear accuracy has increased considerably. Due to the reason that the quantity of parts is quite high in the e-business, we offer our machines with a high degree of automation and also with the corresponding process stability that is required.
Various solutions are available for automating the HLC 150H, from manual loading and standalone solutions to integration in manufacturing systems. Directly driven and water-cooled workpiece and tool spindles also ensure long tool life.